Welcome to Alishan. Do you know that you can get here by taking Taiwan's most scenic railway journey, the Alishan Forest Railway? So before we explore this beautiful area, let's rewind to how do we get here and how do we take the train. Let's go. The majority of people will be coming from Taipei. The best way to travel is to take the Taiwan stylish high-speed rail from Taipei main station and to get off at Xiahe high-speed rail station. The journey takes around 1 hour and a half. I recommend arriving the evening before, as the train to Alishan Mountain is early in the morning. Also, the HSR in Xiahe is out of town, so you have to take a shuttle for like 20 minutes to the city center, and then you have to transfer to the Alishan Express station, which is located in Xiahe Central Station. So don't get confused, but I will show you in a minute how it looks like. But first thing first, I need a good night's sleep. So you have to go all the way down there to find the train, Alishan Express. I'm taking train 5. There's train 1 at 9 a.m., then train 5 at 10 a.m. Because usually there's 1 train a day, but weekend there's 2 trains. Today we are Monday the 30th of December, so yeah, I guess because it's the holiday time, they will have more train. But yeah, you have to walk past the police station and you'll get to the platform. And it's very easy. It's the only station in the city center. And we are blessed with the weather today, so looking forward to it. It has its own little dedicated, how do you call it, parking space. And yeah, there. Compare, because all the other trains are over there. So yeah, the specific section belongs to Alishan Express. Oh, I'm really excited to take this train actually. I'm so excited! Okay, let's get in. Hello! Cheers, cheers! That's so cute! This is how it looks like. The chairs. We are number 28. 28. I get the window seat to drink. Yeah, it's a tiny little train, but pretty cool. stop of the day, Feng Shihu, where we're gonna get some lunch. You can get a bento box. Like, it's an hour stop before we carry on to Alishan. So now it's 12:20, and we will get back on the train at 1:20 to go to the high up in the mountain. But look at this train. This is one of their new trains. The Thermosis. Very fancy, like ooh, all wooden. It's all wooden from like this forest here. And yeah, I would love to ride this one. But it's not in operation yet. But next time, if you want to ride this one, Formosensis it's called. Look at this wooden. Wow. Let's take a peek. Very fancy, yeah? Alright, let's go explore this little town there. And have a look. What is there? Here is a good place to also stay overnight because they have like a nice bamboo hike forest, and apparently it's stunning for sunset. So Alishan Forest is good for sunrise, and this forest is good for sunset. But unfortunately, I don't have time to go. So.
Hey Parker, Matt, you guys want a donut?
Yeah. What was that? I don't want.
现在手上拿这个是花生芝麻的，另外一个是乌龙青的，乌龙青会有点小。
老公吗？
This is so cute! You can buy your little tray, the souvenir. So cute! Alright, need to get some food before the train. We are so grace with the weather. I need to wear my glasses, but so for the best bento boxes, you have to go to Hotel Feng Shihu, like just across the train. So I was just exploring the market, but now I'm gonna go and get it. I missed my train. Yeah, it was quite good, this hotel, but the problem is, the thing I can give you as an advice, always bring cash with you, because like you couldn't pay by card because none of the ATM were working. There's like a big internet misconnection because the cables are broken. So always have cash with you, because if you are here and you don't have, you might find yourself getting hungry and not being able to pay for anything. But usually in Taiwan you can pay, you can use Apple Pay. There's no limitation on how to pay for things. But when you are so far away, always a good thing to note. Oh, the train empty, very cute. are almost there. We're having a 5-minute break to stretch our legs. Gotta say, this journey is quite tiring to sit around for 5 to 6 hours. It's 2 o'clock now. We've been on it since 10 a.m. Look at this. Yep. Photo bombing. And for those who need the toilet, there's some toilets there too. And we have arrived. That was a long trip. It's very tiring. Look behind this beautiful. It's very tiring, but it's really, really worth it. Let's see how this train station looks like. So nice. So all this has been renovated. Oh, it has been renovated lately. So it's very epic. So the reason they are queuing is that if you stay here overnight, you have to make sure to book your sunrise train for to watch the sunrise because you can only get there by train. So all these people are queuing to ensure that they get the spot on the train. Well, I'm just here for the day. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go down to the 7-Eleven there and make sure that I get the bus back. You can book it online, but it's only in Mandarin, so nobody understands anything. Well, at least not me. So I have to go and do it in person. But look at the view!
I wanna serve it to you. The days you've gotten me through. If only I could change.
So actually it's not too bad. You can find taxis, but this one needed to leave early. But he said just ask to the 7-Eleven, and if you can't, there'll always be taxis there trying to pick up passengers. And it's 1,000 to take you back down to Shai, which is a 2 hours drive. 1,000 yuan. What is that? Oh, I'm gonna put it down there. But he said it could go up to 3,500, which that one I know the price. That one I know is like $80. 3,500. So yeah, for a third of the price if you leave earlier, you can get a taxi. But the problem is I just arrived with the train and I want to walk around a bit. So I want to leave at 5. So yeah, when there's a will, there's a way. Welcome to Alishan. So the trail is quite easy to navigate. You go up there to the sunrise view platform. You have some temples around and you have like some viewpoint, and everything is like paved and wooden up. So very easy, very accessible for everyone to come here. So the bus situation is that you have to queue up and wait for the bus and pay on the bus. So now I have to rush back over there and hopefully catch the last bus. Let's see, will I catch it, will I not? But beautiful place overall. I wish I had more time. So by doing the day trip, unfortunately, you can't explore the park further. But I recommend that you stay here a couple of days so you can also see the sunrise, so which I will definitely come back to do, that's for sure. all in all, this journey is totally recommended and one to add to your Taiwan bucket list. So the bus to go back to Chiayi is at the 7-Eleven before the entrance. So that's the entrance. And then that's the 7-Eleven there. Not the one that is inside the park. They don't sell tickets there for the bus. So it's this one. And then you just line up for the bus and hopefully you get on. Dun, dun, suspense, suspense. Very. Yeah. Two? 40, yeah? This one. Okay. Share. Can I sit there? Thank you.